Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the JL Industries part number 1122, replacement clear acrylic glazing. This is the replacement panel for the 5013 and 5023. That blue that you see is naturally just the peel away protective film on both sides of the material. Peeled it back so we can get a dimension of the material. The thickness, 0.062, so a 1/16 of an inch thick. Its overall width of the panel, 8 inch. Its overall height, 17 7/8. So this video, obviously not much to it, just a visual and dimensional recording of what this panel is for the 5013 and 5023 series cabinets. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the JL Industries products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. On that manufacturer's page, you'll have their product catalog. And then some other interesting documents in the sense of some older versions of their catalog are there as well. There's a stock list that they publish there that is how I know what they publish, that they keep on hand with a quick shipping turnaround lead time. It also refers to multiple shipping warehouses that they have, which is incredibly helpful, that they can move product from many different locations. Anyway, if you have any questions on the JL Industries, this is their part number 1122. Replacement clear acrylic glazing or panel for those 5013, 5023 series fire extinguisher cabinets or any other JL Industries product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.